Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead in collaboration with Grandpa's Farm. We are doing the 5 tools on the homestead videos. We did number 5 yesterday and we're doing number 4 today. And the tool that I want to talk about today is on Deep South Homestead. That's number 4 for us, is a riding lawnmower in a trailer. Every day that we work here on the homestead, we use a riding lawnmower. Simply because we don't have 4-wheelers or we don't have a gator or something like that. We can't afford those things, but we do have riding lawnmowers. So in the morning, you'll notice I feed the pigs on the riding lawnmower. The reason we do that is the pigs get used to hearing the noise of the lawnmower. They automatically know it's feeding time. So they just come running. We don't have to worry about it. I do holler for them though when I'm coming around on the lawnmower and they've learned that sound.
Early morning, Danny uses the lawnmower to feed the animals. Saves a lot of walking.
We use the lawnmower for going back and forth on our property to different gardens on our property because we have several gardens. The trailer to haul things with on a daily basis here. We clean fence rows. It doesn't matter if we're weeding out beds. We keep the trailer with us. We throw all the debris over in the trailers and then we throw it into the chicken pen. Like you saw in the corn crib video, we use it to haul the corn back and forth from the fields up here. We use it to mow the property with. I mean, there is just a numerous amounts of ways in which we use the lawnmower and the trailer on our property. It is a very useful tool for us. I know it sounds a little off the wall, but it is the tool for Deep South Homestead because it's invaluable to us. Because if we did not have the lawnmower, it would be an excessive amount of walking and toting and pushing a wheelbarrow and things like that for us. And because of our age, the lawnmower plays a key role in what we do here at Deep South Homestead. So my tip number 4 for the day, as far as being a useful tool on the homestead, is a riding lawnmower and a trailer. Thank you. From Deep South Homestead.